What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. And today, you know, real versus fake Ethicas. Like I said in the last video, this is the comparison. Let's get straight to it. Okay, can you guys tell me which one's real or fake? Real or fake? Fake, let me know. Or real or fake, let me know down in the comments. But, I mean, if you see my other video, I'll just go over them. This is the first pair. As you can see. And this is the other pair. Can you guys see any differences? Okay, well, if you guys didn't know already, these are the real deals, and these are the Fugazis. As you can see, it's the other pair from the other video. But, yeah, let's just go over the differences, shall we? Okay, so starting with the waistband, as you can see, waistbands, the material is definitely a little different that I can tell and feel. Also, this band is wider than, or I should say taller than the real deals. And also, as you can see, looking at the font, it's a little bit too thick, and also that A on the end is bent, you know, looking like a Q. I think, you know. But on the real deals, as you can see, thinner text, and as you can see, that A on the Ethika is coming straight down how it's supposed to. And also another difference, I guess just feeling the materials. Like I said in the other video, you can kind of see through these. These are pretty thin material. And for the real deals, it's pretty thin as well. But I don't know, it's just the quality of material just feels a whole lot better. Let's see, the stitching. The stitching you can see up top on the fakes and on the real deals. Pretty similar, but you can see on the fakes, the stitching is a little bit bigger and thicker, and on the real deals, it's more tightly compacted and more neat. Let's see, any other differences? Let's go to the back of them. Going to the back. The Ethicas don't really, you see the symbols, they don't really line up. On the fake ones, you can see it's more in the back. You can see the whole Ethika and everything. On the real deals, you can just see the word, you can't really see the symbol. The symbol's kind of on the side, and you kind of see most of it on the right side. So that's another difference. Let's go on the inside tags. Well, as you can, obviously, the real deal, it says Ethika, size medium. Both of these are size medium. 90% polyester and 10% spandex. Machine wash cold, do not bleach. Tumble dry low, made in China. And there's no other tag on the inside there. Now for the fakes, there's no back tag, as you can see. So that's one dead giveaway. There's this sticker on the side that says size medium. But as you can see, these have a little bit different blend. These are 95% polyester and 5% spandex. On the real deal, it's 90% polyester and 10% spandex. So that's probably why they feel a little bit different. And also wearing the fakes, I do notice that wearing these you know, drop, like they fall off of you when you wear them. Just like if you bend over, do anything. I noticed that the Ethicas, they stay more on you, like actual, they grip you more. So I did notice that. So this is, yeah, the real versus fake. You can definitely kind of tell from, yeah, like I said before, the A looking like a Q. This stitching right here, you see that black line going through that. On the real deals, you can't see that at all. It just says Ethika straight through. And another thing, I guess, would be just the tag would be a telltale sign. But other than that, I guess just wearing them just to try and look cool, I guess you'll be fine. But you will notice that they will start to fall off of you, like they don't grip you. Probably is the real deal Ethicas. But that was my real versus fake on the Ethika men's boxers, or briefs, whatever you want to call them, spandex. But oh yeah, I guess just one more thing I wanted to point out about the stitching. I did say, you know, on these pair you can see the black stitching going straight through the letters right there and on the symbol. But on the other fake pair, they did a good job. They didn't go through the letters, but it did go through the logo. And here's two pairs I still have in the pack unopened. Just give you another quick comparison. I guess you can see the line, but on the real deals, the line is so little and, you know, minuscule that it just looks like it blends in really. Another pair. You kind of tell, but on these, you can definitely tell, like, that line is just way too thick and it's not as clean. And on this, you could definitely tell. So that's pretty much it. I'm out, guys.